www.cowashcleaning.co.uk. Business park, car park cleaning today. Aquapave, block paving. Aquapaving is permeable paving. The paving itself is the drainage, but over time, between the blocks where the water drains through, becomes blocked with moss and dirt. And obviously, to get it draining again, we've got to clean the joints out so it can fulfill its purpose again. Quite a big area today. £1,700 square metres in total of car park area.
Frozen that in places.
It's also frozen, as Terry's just pointed out. Well, that's why we're using the hot water trailer system to thaw and clean. You can see the steam there coming off it. Lee Kenny, www.cowashcleaning.co.uk for your business park, car park cleaning to get results like that.